What is up, to Bland? It is your girl Mixie Missy, and I'm back with my little treat. So pull up a seat and let's eat. Listen, I'm gonna get that down packed, y'all. At some point, I am. So today, you guys, I got this good old surf and turf. I got steak that's in here, lobster salad. I have potatoes in here. And I got my little sauce I cooked up here, water. I got me some little leftover wine I had. I want to just have that. It was just a little bit. I said, hey, why not drink it with the video? And my ranch is running out, so I got it upside down, sitting over here out the frame for whatever reason. But let's plate. Yeah, let's plate. I think that's gonna be my new thing. And most times when I say that, I don't do it, but I think it's gonna be it. So let's put our steak. Let me show y'all this steak. Steak. Ooh, girl, you better do your thing. I don't know if y'all can see this. Oh, bless my soul. I'm gonna try to give this a try. It's a big T-bone steak, guys. Can y'all see this? Look at that. Ooh, I'm gonna just slide this on over here on the plate. There we go. Boom. Y'all, it's taking up the whole plate, y'all. Hold on, let me. Alright. Let's see if it's dripping or leaking. Yes, it is. Remove this. Uh-oh. I am just dropping stuff. Trying to do things for y'all. So I'm gonna have that steak. Boom. I'm gonna take these potatoes. I cheesed them and I set them in the. I'll tell y'all about it. Oh, I left my ranch. I mean, not my ranch, my sour cream, but I got the ranch, so I guess that's not so bad. It's been kind of sitting too long. You know how you got to set up and all that good stuff. So that's that. And then let's take these babies here. We gonna hook them around like that there. Should I do it like boom? I think that's cute. That's cute. Hold on, let me move this stuff now out my way. So I don't have no steak sauce. I don't got no A1 sauce or my little off-brand backup sauce. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be using this sauce here that I've made. Cook that up. It's going to be dripping all over the table. Lord have mercy, y'all. I might pull this thing back over here. My salad. Okay. Let's see. Y'all, I'm ready to eat. Let me bless this food. Lord, thank you for the food that I shall receive for the nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Now, I was thinking about putting it on here because I like to eat on this thing. So halfway through this video, if it gives me a problem or anything, I'm going to transfer it over to my cutting board over there I like to eat on. I need this out of the frame. It won't get out. It won't get out. Okay, so I'm gonna try these potatoes. They got provolone and mozzarella and some bacon, and it's just a few. I just threw them in there to boil just to have some on the side. Oh, we got some stretch. Oh, we got some stretch, y'all. We got some stretch. And I had made some bacon for breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast. This is my breakfast. It's cool. I didn't like put no salt and pepper to the bacon, which was good. I didn't want to roll it around and too much stuff. I don't know where I want to try to cut this steak from. Let's cut by the bone. I always say that's the best part. Oh, what can y'all see me? I know I got this black plate. Y'all, I really get becoming compelled to transfer this over. Cause I feel like y'all can't see what I'm eating here. All right, this is well done. Okay, I need to taste just the steak because I have put a certain seasoning on here. I'm hungry, I'm mouth all watering. I have put a certain type of seasoning on here. I want to see how much I can taste it. That's good. This steak is really good. I like the meat of it and everything. It's really good. I cooked it really well. It's not hard. I think I let it sit too long. It's not dry. It's not tough. But I didn't get what I wanted from it. The flavor's alright. I didn't want it to be too salty either, because I know it's gonna have all this little sauce over here. That'll do. We're transferring it over, y'all. I'm just have to wipe the table off. Here we go, moving the steak again. See, can't y'all see it better like that? These onions are so good, y'all. So, fun fact. This video that I am doing right now there we go, boom, y'all, steak and lobster, surf and turf. Get my bacon. Anyway, I like it like this. Even if it fall on the table a little bit, still like it. My lobster look good, so I had started cutting over there, and I'm gonna cut down here, y'all, because it's just what I gotta do. Oh. I hate getting steak stuck in my teeth. So, yesterday actually was Valentine's Day. This is now going in as a date night meal. Think about doing a mukbang, a marathon. Oh, this might be in there. Oh. Let's spill some butter on the table. Let's see. It's good. 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 Look, y'all, this mukbang being mud because you want to be. Y'all, why I can turn this plate? I mean, this board. It was supposed to be this way. this eating show we be doing for y'all the most, okay? Because first of all, I gotta put everything over here so y'all can see it. I think I got some space for this sauce now. What y'all think? No, it's gonna block everything. I'm about to hit up this lobster though, I know that. Cause I'm sitting up here putting all the sauce like for the lobster and the steak. Mm, 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 mm. This is an amazing date night situation, okay? Go ahead. Yeah, I just got a spring mix right here, and I put some cheese in it. I just want the straight vegetable. Ooh. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. That's how y'all know when it's good, because I'm all up in the bone. All up in the bone. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, for Valentine's Day, I promise I was gonna doll up. I promise you I'm gonna eventually start putting makeup on for these videos, but it's like I be cooking. I think when I go and buy something to eat, then maybe I'll do the makeup. But when I cook, I be sweating in that kitchen and stuff, so. I don't wanna sweat the makeup off. But this is delicious. It's a ribeye T-bone steak, 2 lobsters. This was about 8 potatoes, some sauce, and a nice little salad. It's the same. Sorry. So sorry. Sometimes I cut the fat off of my steaks, but I wanted the juice for this one, okay? And that's what we're gonna do here with this sauce. And we'll just put a little on there like that. And then maybe we can put it there. Can you still see the steak? I'm gonna let all my lipstick off. I got a red potato too. I'm gonna phenomenal though. It came from up under all the stuff. My table has gotten so dirty, guys. I don't like looking at it while I eat. I don't like looking at it while I eat. But your girl's about to get up on this lobster. Now, y'all like my little hairstyle? I don't know what I was going for. I had a top bun up. Yeah, I want to redo it. Come out. Some no meat in there. Let me just taste it. Taste it. Hey, I don't know if I can go on and eat this stuff, because like it's, how you go on a date and you to eat some crab legs or something like that. I would go on a date and eat that. However, sir, you best to beware for me to be not much of a lady, because you can't be eating this stuff up. Cute. Let's see. Ooh. Excuse me. So, let's see. So I make this I made this last weekend. Michael made me some crab legs and crawfish. Yeah. I just boiled them. Pour me in the the seasoning. Oh, it's so good. And when you're made with this little concoction of butter, and I just poured it over the seafood. I might put the picture in so y'all can see. Look. So good. But it was like so good with the crab. It's good with the lobster too. It's good with the lobster too, but they got two different tastes, so it bring the crab out more. Y'all, let me tell you about my Valentine's Day. Speaking of date nights, my date night's actually tonight. Valentine's Day. You know, this will be previously recorded, so I'm just giving y'all like story time. Yes. But anyway, back to my Valentine's Day. It was nice, relaxing. My babe sent me to the spa. So I went and got a full body massage, honey. When I tell you, every working woman needs to get a full body massage. I don't care where it's at, what it costs. That is a self-care we need. Because when I tell you, I felt like I was floating. Baby, that was no joke. I'm like, dang, that stress will get to you. So, felt better and I came home. Don't make, why do you know I'm recording, so why are you making all that noise? Stop clapping. Okay, but stop clapping like that. Now, what is it that you need?
Nothing.
You said you was asking me a question.
I was getting something.
Okay. Make sure you pay attention to my baby while you got that game. Thank you. I know it seems like I be being mean to me in every video, but you know, sometimes you just gotta check everybody because I tell them ahead of time. I'm getting ready. Ooh. Ooh. Follow my jeans. I'm glad I didn't follow my shirt though. Love feeling the shirt ready. Ooh. That was a good fight. I tell everybody all the time in the house, I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. You guys don't have to be like completely quiet or whatever, but you know, I don't need a lot of noise in my background. I also send my nephew and my son or whatever into the room because there's a TV right here, living room. It's like right here, so you can hear everything. When I'm editing, I can hear all that stuff. I'm like, So, another reason why I need the body massage. Children. I heard. Well, I was still telling y'all. I came home, had a relaxing day. Ow. That was so random. I just watched movies and chilled with my baby while everybody was at work. You know, did my regular daily stuff I do. Do my regular daily little stuff I do. Pick everybody up or whatever. Get my nephew from school, stuff like that. And then last night, Mike got home. He gave me my chocolates and my card and my balloon. He said he was not giving me flowers because last year he had got me some flowers and I never put them in the vase and stuff. In my defense, I was just a little salty because he brought the flowers while I was with him. So I was just like, yeah, you never know. But I do like flowers. So he bought me that. We going to dinner tonight because he had to work yesterday. And then we have no babysitter. So, you know, my sister gonna watch the kids tonight. Why? We go out and have us a good time. He asked me what I want to do. I said, I want to go eat some more crab legs. He like, you always want to go eat some crab legs or anything else? So it's either gonna be crab leg or Korean barbecue, because that's the only two things I want to eat. And see, I'm already eating seafood here, but get dressed or whatever. We mix this hairstyle, and then we might go out, like to a club or something. Just have a little night out. So what did y'all do for Valentine's Day? Y'all just chilled or what? I don't know. Like I said, I chilled on the actual day. I said we can do like the weekend. All them places won't be crowded no more. It might be some more people that's thinking like us, but I'm thinking like me because it was my idea. I'm like, he was like, you didn't buy me no card or nothing. I was like, honey, Valentine's Day is about me, okay? But no, I didn't get him anything. I didn't know what was going on. We did talk about it, but I thought we were just going somewhere. I didn't know we were gifting, you know? So I'll give him a little gift. That was the sweetest thing ever. I'm over here stirring up this wine. What time is it? I'm on the time schedule. Okay. My little leftover wine. Tell me how I really got that small of a glass in there. Oh, the memories run. All right, we a little closer. Get a little closer to me. And I drank some of this wine off camera. So, yeah. I ain't talking about nothing in this video. I just wanted to make it because, excuse me, I bought this food specifically for my Valentine's Day video. And I didn't do that. So, I mean, don't have to be about Valentine's Day, the video anymore, because it's Valentine's over. So, like I said, straight up day night. Still February. Like, what kind of stuff, what kind of other stuff other than like going out to eat or whatever do y'all like to do on dates? Me, I like to go do fun stuff. Like, I do go-karts, mini golf, Magic Mountain, stuff like that. I like to go eat, movie, shoot, pool. You could take me to a bar. I don't think bars considered like complete date. Maybe like a hangout, let's go do something to have something to do or whatever, but I don't know. I am shaking this whole table trying to cut this steak up, y'all. But yeah, I like to do a lot of different things. Like, you know, surprise me. Show me something I ain't never seen. I ain't seen a lot of things either. I hear children. I hear children coming. Listen, this steak is really good. Really, really good. I'm just happy I made it good because I was worried. I lost my little char a little bit. Oh, yeah. Another day thing. You can cook. Man, y'all can cook for us. Anytime, darling. Anytime. Yeah, but my Valentine's Day, I had a really good day. Y'all know, y'all just want to get used to how I am. My brain be all over the place, and therefore, so do these conversations and topics. They're just all over the damn place. But I like this mukbang stuff. Like, and I think I talked about this before. How everything is oversaturated now, and everybody's doing it and stuff. Like, yeah, but I like it. I actually like to watch the people eat. Some type of therapeutic in a way. And like the way people chew and move their mouth, like all that shit is kind of crazy. So I'm like, it just shows how different we are, or the type of food people like to eat, or the type of food that people don't like. Because people be saying they don't like some stuff that I absolutely love. Okay, I'll be like, well, how do you not eat mangoes? You know, like they're delicious. What? So, yeah. Y'all know I'm getting full, right? This steak was big. Two lobsters. I don't want to finish this lobster though. I think so. Let's go ahead and kill this other lobster. I'm bacon right here. Look at that. Yeah, these sauces we be coming up with, these YouTubers and people that's at home who don't, well, I do YouTube, but you know, whatever the case, they be bomb. I've hit or missed a few times. And those be the ones that don't make it on the camera. But you know, a lot of people say they don't like those bigger lobster. I don't know. I'm gonna try one and see. I'm really gonna only buy one too. But the flavors are different, just like different size crab legs taste different too. And the king crab and the snow crab are both good, but they taste different. Snow crab has more flavor than king crab. Like we say, a sweet flavor. I'm making no more than steak, so I'm gonna be saving my steak and potatoes. This salad is good. Still planning my baby's birthday, guys. Still ain't ordering nothing. Ooh. But I definitely got, my list is growing. It's becoming complete. So, I'm going down to LA next weekend. I go down there because the birthday party's in LA. Reserve some stuff down there. Like a jumper and, you know, all those little things, tables and stuff like that. Lobster's so chewy. But it is good. That was another reason why I had to make this video too, because I don't want my lobster to go bad. I was gonna put it back in the freezer, and I was like, no, you can't do seafood like that. I could have put my steak back in the freezer, but no. And plus, I've been getting stuff to edit. I'm about doing a mukbang marathon, like I said, so I'm trying to make it. I want to make it a thing. Maybe I'll do it once a month. Cause I don't do mukbang Monday. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all been waiting on these videos. They out now. They're coming out now. But when I go through the phase, like sometimes I have that agility or whatever to like make a video, edit it, make it, edit it. But a lot of times I like to make. I get into like I'll be in a space of recording. So I record. Among other distractions in my life. Then I sit there and I just edit. But what I go wrong is when I don't keep up with when I be like, I'll edit something like, come on, there's nothing else to record. I put all the videos, you know? That'll happen a lot. But first I am pulling. I'm gonna eat this last lobster. And I'm about to be signing out. Sounds like someone on the moon too. Oh, so I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day. I'm still doing mine. Make sure that you I hope you guys having a good day and loving on people all the time. That's what we're supposed to talk about, but we can do that another time. Valentine's Day when this video come out will be maybe the week before, so it'll be like last week. So last week when it was Valentine's Day, you have to go so hard, you know. It's just the day that you love them. And that means, I remember one time my mom was my Valentine. I bought her flowers and food and all this stuff one day. So I was single. Yes I was. But I think like your family stuff too. Like people should probably do that. Like they have the Valentine's Day. I like that. But I don't have that many friends like that. And the ones I do have are in Atlanta. Out here I got some family. But you know, we all got our own lives going on. But when you what's that? You know, you can go spend it with your grandparents. You can go spend it with, you know, if your grandparents are here still, you can go spend it with you can spend it with your children, all that. And if you got a boo, you spend it with your boo, which is what you're originally supposed to do anyway. That wine is good. I ain't trying to drink too much stuff anyway, because I'm going to be drinking tonight. I'm going to probably vlog a little bit. It's going to be like vlogged in pieces, like this was this day, this was that day. It's going to be a vlog like that. Yeah, so make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit your notification bell so you can get this video. Hit your notification bell so you can see the video every time I post it, when I post it, okay? And yeah. Ooh, that gave me a little buzz. You know, I did drink some when the camera died. I mean, run out of space or whatever. And then I just drank something. I got this nice buzz. Please don't mind. I swear to God, y'all, do not mind. I want to swear to God, but y'all know what I mean. This buzz. My smoke detector. I know y'all still hear it. And the maintenance man came in here. He took it down. He changed it. It beep, beep, beeped and everything. And I'm like, okay. And see? And then like 2 days later, it's like beep. I'm like, wait a minute, pause. Didn't we just fix this situation? So, ooh, excuse me. That's how you know it's good. So, I don't know. You have to try to do it. Just try. Because I try when I'm editing these videos. I'll try to ignore it, but I guess what it is. See? Oh yeah. This food. I took my time and made this today, so it was really, really good. My baby was asleep. He's awake now, but he's chilling. But he was asleep, and I just was like, just zenned out and made this, and it was so good. I'm probably gonna eat this for like breakfast tomorrow. Have like a steak and eggs or something like that. I'm telling y'all. Or make me a steak omelet. This is going in some type of breakfast. They gonna be mad because they gonna get some regular stuff. Anyway, y'all. All right, I want to figure out how to do an outro. I know I got peace, love, and blessings or whatever, but yeah, that's me. Let me try something before I cut this camera off. Okay. The only thing, when that mozzarella cheese dry, that happens. The garlic, jalapeno, look at that little tater. Look at that little tater. I just want y'all to know that this happened after I signed out. I just edited it the other way. Good. I like these little bitty potatoes like this, y'all really do. I will just pop them in the water or pop them in the oven or pop them anywhere, and they just be so good. But anyway, guys, so y'all know what I always say: peace, love, and blessings. Let it rain, let them rain, let them rain on you. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let the blessings rain, let the blessings rain down on you. Let it rain down on you. Peace.